Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a bot token, proper server permissions, and runtime installed. First, create or verify a Discord application and copy the token, store it securely. Once done, invite the bot with OAuth 2 scopes bot and applications. Commands, granting only needed permissions. Run the bot locally with npm start or Python main. Py to ensure it responds. Make sure to enable intents for member and message events so the bot can read and act on the server. Next, you configure core features. Open config and set your command prefix, API keys, and module toggles. This lets you enable only what you need. Then register/commands, use guild registration for fast testing, move to global once stable. While doing this, map server roles to bot permission checks so commands execute with correct rights. Test each module in a private channel and watch logs for permission or missing intent errors. If a command fails, the log usually tells you what to fix. To finish, you validate everything with thorough tests, role-assigned commands, DM, cooldowns, and error handling. Once satisfied, deploy to a stable host and run the bot under a process manager so it restarts on failure. Monitor logs and set up alerts for crashes or rate limits. If something goes wrong, first confirm the token, required intents, and that the bot has correct permissions. These three account for most issues. If you still have errors, reproduce them and check the exact error message before changing code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.